Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, and welcome to Unbox News, a new episode of Unbox News, and this is my 20.
Just before we begin the unboxing, you know what? I was looking at you dancing with a nice voice, nice move, nice body. Don't you think he has a nice body overall? I didn't know what. You look so smart.
Oh, really?
I know. Anyway, guys, welcome to Unbox News. My name is Patrick Ago. And you know the professional drones, they are big, bulky, so expensive, at least it's $1,000 and more. And I don't know, would you spend that much money for having fun with it? No. Now if you need something very small, tiny, easy to use, at low price, DroneX PRO is exactly what you need for having fun. This is what you receive in a box. Drone picture in front, big name, propellers as the X for the DroneX PRO, and some highlight of the drone. So you have an HD cam which shoot 720p, 2.4 gigahertz, and some lighting indicators. Alright, so on the side you have the remote control. Here on the back, the pocket drone, wide angle, 120 degree, and quick installation for the battery. Remove it and it's so small. Put it in the backpack and you're good to go. So this is the bag that you receive. It's not that strong, so it's not heavy, so you can put it in any bag you own. Whoa, no way, that's so tiny. Anyway, let's begin with the controller. Here you have it, simple black color, emotion text here. It's plastic, lightweight, takes AAA battery, normal. This is the antenna, right? And joysticks, exactly the same as a professional drone controller. You have some extra button here. Then in the back you have 4 buttons, 2 on each side. All right, so this is for the controller. Then you have here some extra propellers with a screwdriver here, then the USB, more USB to charge the battery, and then the drone. Guys, you cannot imagine how small it is. Now all I have to do is to open the propellers here, and I start and I fly. You don't have to put anything extra, it's already ready to fly. Only need to charge the battery, which is right here. See how small is the battery. The overall weight almost 85 grams. The battery lasts for 6 to 8 minutes fly, which is nice, and this is the most negative thing I found about this drone. Alright, and you can fully charge the battery in 70 minutes. So let's open. Oh, just let me show you in the palm of my hand. Crazy. Let's open it. It's still small, I mean, like, all right. Then you have this antenna for the reception on your phone, and the small camera right here. Here you have it. And just remove the protection film right here. All right, here on the top you have the on off. All right, so let's put the bag on the side right here. Now how you connect the... Are you serious?
What?
Come on, I said you're smart. No.
Yes, I am. This is Unbox News Airline. Look how fly.
I so regret I said this guy is smart. So stupid. Now guys, you know what? Just sit very calm because I have a surprise for you.
Oh, a surprise!
Calm down, calm down, calm down. Calme-toi. It's a surprise. Yes, just let me finish. I need like few seconds and then you can be like crazy, right?
Okay. Okay.
Guys, the drone can be controlled over phone or tablet. Any phone, Android, iPhone or tablet. It's so simple. What you have to do is, let's take the iPhone. What you need to do is to download the following app, JY UFO. So you launch it, it starts, and then you connect, you play, and then you have the P20, the Huawei Android phone. All you need to do is to same application, JY UFO, you launch it, you allow to access your phone, and then you play, which is nice word. And then you have the iPad. It's an old iPad, so it works. All you need to do is to download the JY application, UFO, and then you can say. So if you have very low budget, it's $99, and you don't have the latest smartphone or tablet, you can use this drone. So you put the budget in your vacation, and then you use this drone for having nice shots. Now on the drone itself, you have only one button which refers to the on off, so it's easy. You keep pressing and it turns on right here. All right, then you connect to your phone by wireless, and then you launch the application. Oh, Twinny, he nailed it. Rock and roll. Yeah, you can jump. Now guys, if you love this product, the DroneX PRO, I will put the link in the description. Tiny, small drone, low price. Only negative is 6 to 8 minutes fly time, and other is so small, easy to use. You can use your smartphone or your tablet, so you don't have an extra equipment. And that's it, guys. So if you love this video, push the thumbs up button, or if you didn't like us, but don't do it because he'll go crazy.
Hey, wait,
Anyway,
wait.
Yes?
Did you see the news about the Huawei Mate X Pro launched in China? Sold $1.5 million in 5 seconds?
Exactly, guys. This is crazy. If you want some more news like this, follow us on Instagram stories. Every time, every day, a news. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, just do it now. And thank you again for watching, and we will see you the next week.
Yeah.
Peace.